Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable chowder. We'll create a truly delicious and comforting dish that's perfect for any time of year. The secret lies in selecting the freshest, most vibrant vegetables available. We'll combine these with a rich, creamy base, ensuring every spoonful is packed with incredible flavor and a wonderfully smooth texture. This method guarantees a consistently amazing result. Proper vegetable preparation is key to a great chowder. Begin by dicing your root vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, into uniform 1/2-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Next, in a large pot, gently sauté your aromatics like finely chopped onions and minced garlic until they become wonderfully fragrant. Remember to add harder vegetables first, allowing them to soften before introducing quicker cooking ones. Now, let's build that luscious, creamy base. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in your pot, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Cook this for about 1 minute. Gradually, and while continuously whisking, pour in 4 cups of warm vegetable broth to avoid any lumps. Finally, stir in 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream for an incredibly rich and velvety texture. With your base complete, it's time to bring everything together. Add your prepared vegetables to the creamy liquid and bring the chowder to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Before serving, stir in some fresh herbs like parsley or chives for a vibrant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.